We got big winds out here, blowing. You guys can get that around 15. We got seas, swells about 7 to 8 feet. Wind waves coming up. You guys can all see here what's happening. I'm really reefing. It's kind of nasty out here. Plus I'm solo, so but it's not too bad. Yesterday we had a 35-mile-an-hour blow, so seas are a little bit unsettled, but it's not bad out here. Let me show you what I got going on. So I got the pilot set up, ready to go, but I'm not using it. I got my tiller clutch, which keeps this boat, if it's balanced right, she'll stay right on point. And she's doing pretty good, about 65, 70 degrees off. See what's happening back here. But boy, she's just cooking. Let me give you guys an idea what's happening out here on the Pacific Ocean today. A little bit of fall sailing. The Oday 272. Boy, she's up. It's under reef. Let me show you why I'm under reef. I don't know if you guys can see that sailboat, but boy, he's hanging. Oh, his rail's in the water, but she's hanging tough. So 272, you go girl, out. Here's one for you. Got small craft warnings out, blowing 15 to 20. Got this nutcase in his kayak, and he's out about, I don't know, about 4 miles, and can't figure out what's happening. But this sailboat's over here. He's got no sail. I don't know if he's watching them. What the hell? Only in California. Come in a little bit. Sorry for the bad camera work, but boy, it's rough out here. I look like you're going to try to get him off the kayak. About 4 miles out. Made it to Anacapa Island. You can see it's pretty rough out here. I don't know if you can tell on the swells, you got one coming right at you. Looking good. I don't know if you can see the change in the color of the water. That's primarily because of the depth. I believe it goes to about 1,000 feet there. So here's where we're at. Trying to give you as much as I can here. Boat's bobbing up and down. Still under serious reef. Trying to give you a shot of the sails without the sun. It ain't nothing nice. But it sure is a blast out here. You can see, boy, just a gorgeous day. Good shot of the island right there. That's Anacapa. No, actually, that's Santa Cruz. And then you got Anacapa right up my bow. So we're looking pretty good. Got motivated today. Listen to Matt Rutherford podcast, and that got me going. So that's kind of where we're at. It's kind of show. Oh boy, did it get dark! Kind of eerie looking. Boy, sure is beautiful out here. Kind of give you a shot of what's happening. Winds are about true wind about 16 knots right now. So, it's just a beauty out here. Kind of show you what's cracking. Got a couple boats off my stern port side. Trying to hang where you go, girl, but you know what's up. That's where we're at. He's hanging, flying the American flag. You can see This is pretty amazing. I pretty much sailed the entire way without using my power autopilot, using that tiller clutch right there. That baby is held on a course of 60 degrees. Pretty remarkable. I don't really use it that much. It's more just to kind of do something real quick so I don't have to use the autopilot. But that Simrad works pretty good, but why use it when that thing's handling its business? So here we are again. It's just pretty as all get up out here. It's actually a little calmer out here because it's deeper. You know how they always say go deep? Well, they're right. This is a true test of it here. Deeper the water, the less the steepness of the swells. So, yeah, I'm digging this. It's just pretty out here. There's oil rig way out there in the distance. That would be Gale. She's about 12 miles out. But there it is. You go, girl. You go, girl. Oh, by the way, the barber hauler's not needed today. No way. But you can see, I cast those babies off. Just way too much wind. But this is what it's all about. Getting out on the ocean. You go, girl, out. Finally got settled in, coming downwind, and it's just a beautiful sail. You can see how nice this time downwind. Had to use the tiller pilot. Didn't have a choice in this one. Show you what's going on here. It's holding up pretty well. Trying to get an idea. That Simrad works good. Handles well. Kind of see what's happening here. Just a gorgeous day out here. Crazy. It's what we live for when we're sailors. With no power boats out, that's for sure. But she's handling nice. She's handling nice. That's all I can say. Even on the reef. Oh, there went the hat. Even off that, got up to 8.1 off the waves. These 272s like to surf nice. I'll give it that. Those wing keels. A shit for pointing, but boy, for upwind, just not bad at all. See the backdrop on the California mountains right there. Give you a better view right there. That's Santa Barbara over there, Ventura over there, and Channel Islands right there. And if we swing all the way this way, going too fast, we'll hit Malibu down there. It's a pretty day.